All right, we've talked about this a lot lately. This little GTA 26 handheld chainsaw. Well, guess what? It's back. The Stihl HSA 26. You may or may not remember this. This previously was an HSA 25. We just got these in today. It's the companion to your GTA 26 chainsaw. So let's open this up. Let's see what we get with this thing. So this is a little hedge trimmer. Chance to open it up. We've been waiting on these for several months here at Carl's Mower. Actually, the whole country has been waiting on these for months. So just like the GTA 26, I'm gonna get this nice package and I'm gonna open this up and pop it down. And what do I have inside? I have a charger, I have a battery, same battery between the HSA 26 and the GTA. So I can pull that battery out and pop it in here. If I can get my angles right. There we go, battery's in. Pop the other one in. So that's awesome. So if you already have this, you can pick up this brand new HSA 26 handheld hedge trimmer. And I used this last year around my property and for deadheading my plants, for getting in there and cleaning up in my flower beds. This thing's awesome. So what does it bring to the table versus its older sibling, the HSA 25, which is now gone? One is we have a battery that's shared, so we have a common platform. We also have a 10% faster cutting speed on the blades, as well as a redesigned geometry on the hedge trimmer blade. So it's gonna come with two blades. Got this cover off here. It's a nice little cover, way better than the old one to protect it while it's in sitting around in storage. Not that it's going to be in storage very often. Handy tool. All right, we've got a battery life indicator on the side. We have quick change blades. So I depress these two orange tabs on the side and boom, put it on, pull it off. Requires a little bit of maintenance in here. You'll see some grease. So this thing should be greased, I don't know, probably every 20 hours. Just open it up. If there's grease in there, great. If you don't see much that's not getting on the gears, get some grease, put it around those gears. It's as simple as this. I've got a safety here, so I've got to press forward and then I pull the trigger. This here would be a shrub cutter or really a grass shear. So if you've got grassy material, some ornamental grasses in your flower beds, this is gonna be awesome for taking that down, as well as if you want to use this as a weed eater along your lawn. So let's pull that out and let's put in the hedge trimmer attachment. So this is going to be super nice to have that faster blade speed, as well as this redesigned blade geometry that actually holds the material in the cut better. So again, it's got a sheath that's going to slide off and it's going to pop on just like the other one. So it's pretty easy, right? Back and forth between the two cutters. So it's gonna come in here. Let me make this look hard. Come in here, click it in, hit the safety. Imagine you're working in your flower beds and you've got, I've got hostas, right? I wanna deadhead those things, or I wanna cut them back for the year. I grab a clump, come along, just cut it off. Daisies, if you've got that small ornamental hedge, you can trim that hedge with it. So check it out. You've got your GTA 26 for all of your pruning, your larger stuff, your thumb size and up to a 3-inch cut with this baby. And then you grab your HSA 26 and boom, you're good to go. Throw them both in the holster. Wouldn't this be awesome? Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.